In the beginning, God, the most powerful and fearsome one, created, effortlessly flung into existence the heavens and the earth. He spoke into existence the universe in all its details, vastness, glory, and complexity.